Recording an interior video, the iPhone 12 Pro Max gives you a really great high dynamic range, but looking around and panning around the camera, you see this flashing and those stripes that are very disturbing. Now, comparing this to the Samsung Note 9, the Samsung of course cannot keep up with the high dynamic range of an iPhone. Overall, although inside it's a bit darker, the image quality is much quieter and relaxed. Here they are side by side. I find these flashes on the iPhone very disturbing. Bringing the Samsung Note 9 at par with the interior exposure of the iPhone, you can see that the image is much more calming and quiet compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max that has this weird flashing and buzzing and stripes. I hope this is a problem that Apple will resolve over time with a software update.